Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to start a dropshipping business. So you can see right here that you can actually dropship using Shopify, Bigseller, Amazon, and a lot of things right here. So dropshipping is a form of retail business for which the seller accepts customer orders without keeping stock on hand. So in here, you can see that you can use Shopify, but you can also use a lot more. Like for example, you can actually use dropshipping apps. So when you search for dropshipping apps, you should be able to see in here Spocket, Printful, Zendrop, AutoDS, Printify, Banggood, CJ Dropshipping, Syncki, and Deezers. So these apps right here will help you start your dropshipping business by importing products from AliExpress or from their own database, and then they can actually analyze the competition and then profitability for them, and then you can actually import them to your store on Shopify. So from in there, just install one app from this one and you should be able to start your dropshipping business for your step one. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, comment them down below and we'll try our best to answer. Thanks.